Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In today's analysis, I want to show you this big down channel, and right now Render is trying to break out the resistance once again, and we will also take a look at this breakout from the smaller down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to share my recent trade setup of Render that I shared with my members on 25th of August, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardian move that Render completed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, before this, Render also completed another guardian move in the month of March 2022, and I also shared that move with my members as well. And by the way, these both moves are formed with Bitcoin pair. And you can see this was our buying zone and this was our sell target zone. And this was, by the way, the idea that I shared in the month of March 2022. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line pumped very well. And after hitting the sell target zone, it dropped down. And this is the most recent one that I shared on 25th of August, a few days back. And you can see our buying zone was from 269 and goes to 254, and our sell target zone was from 290 and goes to 0.0000313 bitcoins. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line first moved very close to this sell target zone, but again moved down, moved sideways, and then we had a very big pump. Now if we move to the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that Render has formed a very long-term down channel. It entered the channel here back in November 2021, and so far it is not able to break it out. Here, after this attempt, you can see that the price line did not move down to the support and again moved up, and right now we are trying to break out the resistance of this very long-term down channel. At the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then Render has formed another down channel, and this formation was started here back in March 2022. And you can see that we had more touch points at the resistance than support. That was a clear signal that eventually we can break out this channel, and finally we broke out this channel, and this is the recent swing low that we have at 27 cents, and now it can work as a key support for the price line. Right now you can see this level of 45 cents is working as a very strong support for Render, and you can see several times we have tested this support but could not break it down, and this is our key resistance that we have at 85 cents. So right now we have broken out this resistance of the channel, and I'm expecting that once it will be able to break out this 85 cents resistance, then it can start the bigger move from here. And at the same time, it can also break out this resistance of bigger channel that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. And right now you can see that the resistance is approximately at 65 cents, and we are very close to hit this resistance once again. Now if we take a look at the target for the down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, that is here at the top of the channel, that will be approximately at $3.18. And the bigger target for this bigger channel will be here at the top of the channel, that will be approximately $6.55. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.